Okay guys, as you guys already read, we're going to be innovating our creek area today. This is in my woods behind my house, just in case you guys didn't know. So we're going to show you guys a couple shots of this place, show you the before, and we're going to get started. Guys, we've decided that we need help on this channel a lot lately, and so we have hired a new employee, and you've seen him before.
Howdy, Aiden Wood here.
We got Aiden. He's just going to be all around a big help. He's going to help do labor. Like right now, he's just going to
Help everybody.
help us.
Keaton, us, everybody.
Yep.
Keaton's got one arm, so he needs help. Yes.
So,
let's get back into it. All right, guys, we are starting the renovating process now. Here we go. Beautiful. Like those.
Well, guys,
those birds are magnificent.
we got one problem.
Here. Dude, Gabe just broke it.
We got one problem.
Gabe.
guys,
Gabe just broke the rig.
Gabe got a little
We
mad
lost.
and he
it was not
He
me,
broke
it was Blake, as you guys could clearly
he
see.
folded it in half.
But it broke, so we're gonna have to ditch this rig. But we got
just
other
get
tools.
tight.
Hey, you're
Duct
correct.
tape.
Yeah, we're good.
Get back to work, fools.
All right.
Fools!
Wow, you broke the rig.
Can't believe that, man.
Put the axe right there and push it back. We can make it a little more for me, but right now it's good. Hey, I say we leave this tree here, Gabe.
Yeah.
And what if we put like signs on it? Like just drill in a sign? Like we did? Have a little decoration. A little decor. Because right now it's looking way open. Like that last tree down there, I like that. That's a good shade tree.